Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper crisper pan cover in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper crisper pan cover. The upper crisper pan cover is used as a cover and as a frame for the upper crisper pan, allowing it to slide in and out. The main reason for the upper crisper pan cover to be replaced is if it's broken and won't stay on. Let's open the refrigerator door. Let's pull out the crisper pan. Now we're going to remove the broken upper crisper pan cover. Lift it up and then we can pull it out. In our case, it's broke right there on the support. So careful not to break the glass and slide it out. All right, now we're going to remove the glass. Careful, don't cut yourself. This is the old upper crisper pan cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, now we're going to install the glass into the crisper cover. As you can see, the glass is a little different now because a soap and a sponge can do a miracle. Just carefully drop it in. And now we can install it into the fridge. To install the crisper pan cover, we need to place these two slots over the two pins at the back and then lower the shelf down. Now we can install the crisper pan and slide it onto the rails here. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.